Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to delete a member from the Life360 app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Life360 app on your device. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen where you'll see a gear icon. Go ahead and tap on this icon to open up your settings menu. This is where you'll access all the important configuration options for your circle, including member management and privacy controls. After the settings menu opens, look for an option labeled circle management and tap on it. This section is specifically designed to help you manage who's part of your circle, making it easy to add or remove members as needed. Circle management gives you full control over your group's composition. Next, you'll see an option that says Remove People from Circle. Tap on this option to proceed. This will bring up a list of all the current members in your circle, allowing you to select who you want to remove. It's a straightforward process that ensures you maintain control over who has access to your family's location information. Now, take a moment to scroll through the list and find the specific member you want to delete from your circle. Once you've located them, tap the circle beside their name to check it. This selection indicates that this is the person you want to remove from your group. You can select multiple members at once if you need to remove more than one person. After you've selected the member, look at the upper right corner of your screen and tap the Remove button. This initiates the removal process and prepares the app to delete the selected member from your circle. The app wants to make sure you're certain about this action before proceeding. At this point, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This is an important safety feature that prevents accidental deletions and gives you one last chance to reconsider your decision. The message will ask if you're sure you want to remove this member from your circle. Finally, tap Yes to confirm the removal. Once you do this, the member will be immediately deleted from your circle and they'll no longer have access to your location information or be able to see other members' locations. The process is complete and your circle has been updated, and that's it. You've successfully removed a member from your Life360 circle. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.